You have studied various maps. You also have studied the physical map of Maharashtra. From the different colors in the map, you must have known the heights of different regions. Now, observe this map of India. What is the height of the region showed by the green color? Tell the names of the regions at the height of 6,000 meters. What is the height of the region which is shown in yellow color? In which directions of India you are observing seas? While searching for the answers of these questions, you must have noticed that in India, there are regions of different heights. There are seas on the three sides of India. In the north direction of India, there is region of tremendous height. There are many small and big rivers in different states. Now, observe the following pictures. What do you observe in these pictures? People in Kashmir are wearing warm clothes. People in Rajasthan have different costume and people in Konkan also have different costumes. There is difference in their food too. In the North India, the climate is cold. Farmers in North India cultivate wheat on a large scale. Yield of jnana is very good in Central India. We can see variety of fruits in different parts of India depending on the climate. Yield of apple, peach, plum and saffron is very good in Kashmir. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Wheat is a primary crop in the north. Rice is a primary crop in the south. Jwar is produced on a large scale in Central India. People in the coastal region cultivate rice as the primary crop. Hence, rice is the major component of their food. In Kashmir, people eat food like spicy pulao and vegetable to overcome cold atmosphere. In Rajasthan, due to scarcity of vegetables, people eat food items made from wheat and cereals. For example, dal bati churma. In Konkan, people eat food made from rice, rice flakes, fish and ragi, and fruits like coconut, mango and cashew nut. We can see diversity in food, customs, traditions and festivals in different regions. For example, Assam, Bihu, Bihar, Chhath Puja, Gujarat, Navratri and Janmashtami, Kerala, Onam, Maharashtra, Ganesh Utsav, Tamil Nadu, Pongal, Punjab, Baisakhi. In which region do you live? Get information about different regions from your friends who live in those regions. You will get the information about the crops and the cash crops in India from this map. Cash crops means those crops due to which the farmer can earn cash. Observe the map and answer the following questions. Where is tea cultivated? Which fruit is exported in a great extent to all over the world from the Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra? From where do we get saffron? In which region are the spice crops cultivated to a larger extent? Observe various maps of India and know India better. Why is there such a difference? The reason is that there is difference in the geographical conditions, atmosphere and climate in these regions. The geographical structure of these regions is also different from each other. Kashmir is a mountainous region. It has cold climate. Hence, people in Kashmir wear warm clothes. Rajasthan is a desert. There is always high temperature. Therefore, people in Rajasthan wear different clothes which protect them from heat and sand. Coastal areas are hot and air is more humid in these regions. So, the proportion of sweating is more. Light clothes reflect most of the heat and keep us cool. Hence, people in Konkan wear light clothes. Now, you must have understood that the lifestyle of people is greatly affected by the geographical structure, climate, plants in the region where they live. Their food, clothing, all depend on the climate and other natural factors. In India, there is diversity of various types of regions. For example, rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Godavari, Kaveri. Hills like Khasi, Garo in Meghalaya, mountains like Himalaya, Vindhya, plateaus like Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, plains like Indo-Gangetic Plain, delta plains and deserts like Thar in Rajasthan, Run of Kutch in Gujarat. Some islands like Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep are also a part of India. You know that there is water to three sides of the Indian subcontinent, and the Indian subcontinent is tapering towards south. This part of continent is called the Indian Peninsula. Find in the map the Himalaya, desert, forests in India, coastal regions and the river Narmada. Observe the political map of India. Observe the index given in this map. What do you notice? You can see some dotted lines. Some dotted lines are pink, some are green and some are black. Know the meaning of all these lines. What information do you get from this map? Though such dotted lines are drawn in the map, there are no such lines in reality. For the convenience of the governance, borders of states are defined. Get the information about states and union territories of India and their respective capitals, which are major metropolitan cities in India. How can you get all this information? Correct. You can get this information by observing the political map of India. Also, get knowledge about the characteristics of each state, major language spoken in each state, major sites in the state, geographical structure, natural characteristics, special cultural features of the states and the union territories. Answer the following questions. In which type of map can we observe the borders of states and union territories in India? In which state of India is there a desert? Which region is known as the Indian Peninsula? Write names of islands situated near India. In India, there is a network of roads, highways, waterways, airways and railway lines. Due to all these transport facilities, it is possible to carry goods from one state to another. We know that various crops, fruits, vegetables are cultivated in different regions of India. Transport of all these goods is possible due to all of these transport facilities. In India, which ways of transport are used to transport goods and food items? What did we learn? India is a very large country. We can see a great diversity in the geographical structures of different regions in India. Different geographical structures have different climate. Therefore, we can observe great diversity in food crops, fruits and plants in India. The food habits, clothes, festivals in different regions depend on the climate and geographical structure in those regions. Hence, we can see different culture and traditions in different regions of India. We can transport goods from any place in India to any other place in India. In India, we have a very large network of roads, highways, airways, waterways and railway lines.